marshmallows. I want to cut them.
You're gonna put wait. Okay, quick little thing in the end. How many marshmallows you got in your pocket?
I got 3.
3? That's all you bring. Go ahead, put them in. Go ahead. Marshmallows. Did it work? Or did they just do? No, don't do marshmallows.
I'm stuck in there. Wait.
Welcome to a new episode of Bravo Charlie's.
And before we get started, be the joyful elf that hits the thumbs up below.
And if you like this content, hit the subscribe button and you'll automatically get updates every time we put out a new video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of some slicers and dicers by the brand name Mueller, M-U-E-L-L-E-R, and I'll put all the links below in the description. Both of these are picked up on Amazon for less than 25 bucks, I believe. So they're great Christmas presents for your mom or your dad, anybody in your life that likes cooking. These are great two little presents that most people don't have, but they all received high ratings on Amazon, so I picked them up for myself. Thought I'd share them with you guys. Okay, Jordan, ready to, which box do you want to open first?
This one.
This one, okay. I don't know which one is which, so you'll see. One of them is a mandolin, which means you shave the food into it and it has a blade on it. The other one is a press that chops things up. So we'll see which is which here. And we have some, what kind of vegetables do we have there to
We have
test?
Onions, carrots, mushrooms, potatoes, and a green pepper.
Okay, this is the mandolin. Okay, you want to take that out?
Yeah.
Okay, show the camera. Hi, okay, so this is a pretty, it seems like a pretty nice quality mandolin. 5-blade mandolin slicer, V-slicer, V-wavy slicer, fine and coarse shredded and grater. Has julienne blades for making potato or French fries and stuff like that. Fully adjustable. This is German, so it's from Austria. So it's in millimeters, 1 to 9 millimeter, and it has a safety handle so you don't cut your hand. These are very dangerous because see this blade here? If you come down when you're slicing, you can cut your finger really easy. So these are dangerous, that's why they give you these hand blades. Blade box for safe storage. Oh, it looks like it comes with a little case too. Okay, let's get this thing open. Okay, Jordan, go ahead, pull her out. What else do we have in here? Everything comes neatly wrapped. Some instructions on how to change the blades, but I think we can figure that out. That's what you use to hold the food. So for instance, if we do the potato, you just jam the potato in here like this, Jordan.
Oh wow.
And then you run it down the mandolin. Okay, so we'll try that one first since I already did it. Free. Turn over to discover which product. What is this?
Oh my gosh.
Free product, be careful. Free product giveaway. Turn over to discover which product. Comes with a peeler. I guess if you turn in this peeler, oh, only 250 peelers available. I'm sure this is already gone, so let's forget about that. Okay, so this is gonna have a stand that you rotate out like that. And let's see, what are all the features here? Okay, you turn this for, I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up on the camera, but you pull this knob out and twist it and the julienne blades come up. There's a smaller one, and we could demonstrate this with a potato because then you could show them how it makes French fries, okay? And this knob, let's see here. What does this knob do? I don't think this knob.
Put the blades in.
Yeah. I think this is, we take this off, press. There we go. Oh, this is just so you can clean those blades after you're done. But you can see in here, the blades rotate for the julienne blades for French fries. So we'll do that test. Let's see here. And then Okay, and this other knob over here raises or lowers the deck so you can cut things thicker. Okay, so Jordan, you want to make some French fries?
Yeah, where's the potato? There's the potato.
Okay, let's make them longer. So go that way. Okay, now all you're gonna do. Wait, let's do it. Hang on. Let's go. Let's see. You know what? Let's try. No, let's do this. Let me see here. Let me try it first. Let's see. Did it work?
Yeah, you made French fries.
Okay, so you give it a try, Jordan. You know what? These blades might be up too high. Let's try.
They are. This looks like French fries.
That looks pretty good to you? Okay. See if you could try it. It does take a little effort. Hold the base right here, and it's got to do it fast. Nope, faster. Like that. One sweep. And perfect French fries, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, fast. Hold it. There you go. Okay, now if you don't want to have French fries, turn the blade back down. Let's say we just want some home fries. Yeah, some home fries. Then we can just slice like that and show them the slice that we have.
We can make potato chips.
Yes. Well, you can make it real narrow, like this, and see,
That's funny.
it gets real small. Gotta do it again. Hang on. Let me go. Go ahead. Go one more time, real fast down there. Okay, what do you got? And what could you make with that? Potato chips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's our potato. Let's see, what else can we try on this? The different blades that we have in here. Where's our... I don't want to break this box. Oh, okay, I see how it opens. So we have... They give you a wavy blade, so if you wanted to make French fries that are wavy, there are graters here for...
Graters.
You know what? Let's do the carrot and make some shredded carrot, okay? Let's show them how to do that real quick. But there's a nice handy container here to keep all the blades in. Okay, let's do the carrots real quick. This will come up.
You go from right there.
Let me see.
I think.
From the top. Okay, set that aside. Put this one in. We'll wash that later.
There's potato everywhere.
That's okay. Okay, now let's hang on. Here's our Santoku knife. This was a video we did a while back. I'll put a link right here for Chicago Cutlery. Let's do it this way, Jordan. Okay, now put these on here like this. Well, let's just do one at a time. Something like this. You have to put this in here. Now,
Wait.
this is going to have to be...
I have an idea.
Go ahead. Yeah, that might work. Okay, that's fine. And then, nope. Here, I'll show you how this works. So this presses down automatically, so you put it in there, and then just... It keeps pressing down every time you slice, and you end up with shredded carrots. Perfect every time. Okay, I think that's enough of a demonstration of this. Let's get to the next product, Jordan. Okay. You gonna clean up for me later? Highly unlikely, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, let's put this away. Let's put this over here. And let's look in this. Okay, this is the Onion Chopper Pro.
I've seen this before.
Ergonomic and detachable design. Powerful and easy to use. Ideal for chopping and dicing. Let's see, what all can this do?
Onions.
Onions, peppers, all kinds of different things. Let's open this up. And this is also by Mueller, M-U-E-L-L-E-R. Hi, Ella. Quick little instruction
Potato
guide.
brush.
Well, that's to clean out the,
Oh, there was an opening and I just ripped it open.
that's okay. That's to clean out these.
Oh, it's
It's to clean out the grapes. Okay, let's open this all up. There's a nice handy lid on it. So it comes with a lid. Oh, I get it. This lid, I see what this is. So not only is it a lid for storage, but when you're chopping stuff, you put that on top and it's going to catch everything that you're chopping. Okay, so this does come with two blades, one for thicker dicing or chopping and one for thinner dicing or chopping. And we've been experimenting with this a little bit off camera, and in this container below, so this container, which also doubles as a cover for this when you're not using it, but it is a container to keep all the cuts in. Right now we've experimented with carrots. What else do we have in here, Jordan? Carrots?
We have carrots, green peppers, onions,
mushrooms, and we tried some potato.
Yeah.
And it works good with everything. So let's put this back on and show them how this works. Jordan, let's save the mushroom for, I want to try the mandolin again on the mushroom. So this blade just clips in here like this, and there's a little lock here that you slide just to keep it locked in. So Jordan, why don't you grab some of the green, one or two of the green peppers, put them on here, and show them how it works. I'll hold this. Go ahead, pull it down. Push it all the way. There you go. Two hands. Come on, muscles. Do it. Oh my, you're strong. Okay, so then perfectly diced petite green peppers. Let's do a thicker one, Jordan.
Okay.
Grab a green pepper again. Go ahead, put that on there.
Now you have bigger ones.
Yep, perfect. Okay, let's do, you want to do that onion? We got some onion there. Good,
Onion?
right here. Just put it all on. Put some more. Put some more. Put the last one.
The skyscraper.
You ready? Perfectly diced onions now too.
That are yummy.
Okay. Let's get that locked again. Carrots.
Carrot. Carrot.
Another carrot.
Another carrot.
Another carrot.
Another carrot.
There we go.
Carrot.
And
Carrot.
perfectly chopped carrots. So this is perfect for a stew. If you're sauteing some vegetables for some beef or some chicken, some soup, this is a perfect, I mean, everything's right here. Dump it in your saute pan, dump it in your boiling water, your chicken broth or your beef broth, and you have a perfect start for a soup. This is, it's all plastic. Both of these are all plastic except for the blade. Jordan, I wanted to try
A mushroom.
the mushroom on here real quick, because this is very, you know, everybody knows mushrooms are soft, but let's see, let's make sure it does nice cuts of the mushroom. Let's get it on here. Let's see, how are we gonna get it on there? Let's try that. Well, I didn't get the last one, but yeah, it sliced through a mushroom just fine. And if we were to do a green pepper, perfect green pepper slices. So both of these are all plastic, but Jordan, what do you think? This plastic is pretty thick. It's not flimsy.
Yeah.
It's pretty thick. It's pretty heavy duty. Everything's dishwasher safe. The blades come with a container to store them in. This,
It comes with a brush to clean
a
it.
brush to clean the grates here if something gets stuck in there. What else, Jordan? Do you think we missed anything? I think we got everything pretty good, right? These would be good gifts for someone that likes to cook, right? $25 or less. I think I picked both these up on Black Friday specials, probably for a little bit less than 20, probably less than 20 bucks because I did get them on sale. But regular price are less than $25. Highly rated on Amazon. I'll put all the links below. Hit the subscribe button if you like what you see for new content in the future. And thank you again. Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year!
Thanks for joining us at Bravo Charlie's.